Hello, and welcome to Innowera's Process Runner Help series. In this video, we will continue to show the dynamic formula functionality of Process Runner, which allows data to be transformed at runtime before it's posted to SAP. Here in the iBook ribbon of Process Runner, we have our data for an FB50 PostGL account transaction automation script. This template does not have a debit-credit indicator field, and there are negative values in the amount field. The negative numbers are debit values, and the positive numbers are credit values. We need to convert the negative values in the amount field to positive values using a dynamic formula. To access dynamic formulas, let's click on the Mapper ribbon, make sure we have selected Advanced View, and at the top we have our dynamic formula column. Let's look at the dynamic formula options for the amount and document currency field. We covered the basic dynamic formulas in a previous video. This video will focus on the dynamic formulas that can be used for finance-related transactions. Because the custom dynamic formula option is more advanced, we will cover it in a separate video. The Convert to Absolute Value option will remove any negative signs from the amounts, so let's select it. We also want to transform the positive and negative amount values to debit-credit indicators. For the debit-credit indicator field, let's select the Transform to Debit-Credit Indicators dynamic formula. Next, we have the option to select the number of columns containing debit and credit amounts. Let's select single column and type in column G for the amount in column. We also need to select the second option as the negative numbers are debit and the positive numbers are credit, and click OK. Let's go ahead and press the Run button, log on to SAP, and watch the automation script run with the dynamic formulas. If we look at the document in SAP, we will see the negative values were successfully uploaded. Furthermore, if we select the items, we can see that they have been indicated as debit or credit entries. For our second example, let's return to our Mapper ribbon and look at Sheet 2 in the iBook. The amount field has a $sign, which will not be accepted by our SAP system. We can use the next dynamic formula option, which will remove any spaces in accounting formats. Let's go ahead and select it, press the Run button, log on to SAP, and watch the automation script run with the dynamic formula. If we look at the document in SAP, we will see the $signs have successfully been removed from the amount field. For our final example, let's return to our Mapper ribbon and look at Sheet 3 in the iBook. The amount field is formatted to show fractions instead of decimal values. We can use the next dynamic formula option, which will get the interval value from the amount field in Excel. Let's go ahead and select it, press the Run button, log on to SAP, and watch the automation script run with the dynamic formula. If we look at the document in SAP, we will see the interval values of the amount field were successfully uploaded. This concludes our explanation of dynamic formulas that can be used for finance-related transactions. Want to learn more about simplifying SAP with Innowera technologies? Visit us at innowera.com. Thank you for watching.